So as you can tell, our driveway is pretty steep and we'll occasionally walk it and I ride it up, but no matter what, you're going pretty slow. And when it's warm enough, this little natural beehive right here, that hole, there's some bee traffic across the driveway and we'll occasionally get stung. So today's pretty cold, and so I'm gonna go check out the hole and see what's in there and not get stung, hopefully. Pretty cool to see some natural beehives near our house and operating on their own. Nature doing its own thing.